ito na ang aming review. Day 2. 2. TikTok guys. Tulala ko naman. Yung amboy. Mga amboy si A. There. Light. That means it's coming.
Yung gato ka doon.
Okay, go!
The migraine is waving. Ito may shades. Oh yeah.
We are on a bukyo. This is called the bukyo. Ikaw? Oo nga ako. First time.
Alam ko na malaki hapon.
This is better than train. Hindi kayo bawal sa highway, sir? Pwede lang po magandang oras. Magandang oras pwede. Tapos kasi umikot kami. Layo. Amazing. May big bike yun. This isn't jeepney, boy. Wanna have breakfast in Jollibee? Okay. Go. Come inside. Not the one, boy.
Let's go here.
Kiosk, mommy, kiosk. Tama na si Amy. Gusto mo burger steak? Tanong mo si Keisha. Ako chicken ako. pala ito ulit. It's a bit hot. Yummy! I can make that. I can make that. That's why I don't like it. But I can make that. Want water?
Here go, money.
Oh.
Here go, money. Nag-give ka na ba? Here go. Tawa yung kasi. Sabi yung wait lang.
Buti bukas na yung grocery.
Kaya nga eh, sabi ko nga lang. After ganap na ng baby, yan kayo niya.
Ngayon nga. Kalimutan natin. Better look ba?
Hello.
Neymar, this is a jeepney. Neymar, this is a jeepney. A real jeepney. Ito may lag sa ano. I can see the view. Sino naglalaba? May naglalaba. Si ate. Saka si surprise!
Nakatulog ko si.
Sabi ko
Ano ba yan?
Hindi duman si Kevin. Laki nito.
Ang tawad naman ito.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Kaya hindi ako naniniwala eh.
Ang weird ba? Ang weird. Di ba akala ko sinabi ni Koshero yun eh.
Ay, hindi ko.
Nagkasama kami last week eh.
Yes, say hi na na. Ano ba? Magpa-prank ka na.
Ako inuwento mo sa kanya.
Oh, birthday ni Kenzo last Saturday. Hello, Nay. Hindi, sa Taguig.
Ines, we're back in the car. The car, the original car. Alay pa pala yung ano mo, yung side mirror mo, ay yung rear view mirror. Okay lang yan.
Hindi ako naman.
Ganyan din yung gamit nung ano eh, nung sinakyan natin kahapon.
Something changed in the foot.
Marami na.
Bago yung ano niya, yung clutch. Yun yung ano. Madali siyang mamatayan. Good news yan.
All that I need is...
Eva, what's that?
Manibela.
What's that, mommy?
Oh, talaga?
What's that, mommy?
What's that? Sir? Hello.
It's a creepy. It's a creepy.
It's a Keisha.
It's a creepy.
Hindi naman. 7.
It's a creepy.
It's a baby. Matanda na 1 taon si Keisha. Lock mo nga daddy mga pinto. You don't want to lock the... It's a baby. From Ajin. May 5. Ang daming pinya. Yo. Ganda na naman kami na palipan. Nainitan yung dalawa. I wish we have the curtain. Isang araw lang yan. Na. Kawawa, gutom na ang bata. You need to wait. Lagyan mo na. Ba't ko rin yun? Bye-bye, Rose.
What fun it is to ride in a one. Hey, look. For so friends like, hey, it's Wednesday.
Windy.
Ah, it's a windy day. Ah, nasa electric pa siya. It's a windy day.
Oh no, your hair.
Eat your hair.
Oh no.
Oh, good. Good.
Again, ask Lola.
Again. One more time. Here. Go! Galing. Good job.
Lola.
Start. Oh, what time?
Faster daw, faster.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Oh no.
Slow. May isa pang apong minimaintenan.
I don't know. There's Lola.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Be careful.
Be careful on the stairs.
My way.
Hindi alam na Amar yun. Hindi niya alam yan.
Hindi pa. Tinatry ko pa lang. Ang alam niyo yung carpenter ko.
And fly you to the moon.
Ayun.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Emma.
I'm under there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alam mo ng word na
Fly
karaw.
you to the moon.
Ayan.
Over the rainbow. Oh, di pa lang yan eh. Let's sing over the rainbow.
Ayun.
Hindi na mapahingin si Mother.
Over the rainbow.
Lola.
Ah, sing for the somewhere. Over the rainbow.
There's a... How about Emma? Blue. Running na daw, Lola. Ask Lola, Lola.
Lola, right?
Opo, nagtatakbo daw siya.
Ready, set.
Oh my God, right.
Ay, kisya pa na.
I don't even know that.
Again, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Maybe we fly